Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday morning. Thunderous Thursday. We'll go with that. We got rain coming in. Again, that's okay. We need it. Last night, I prepared chicken quesadillas. I used my fajita seasoning, which is available to you. Just contact me and I'll get you a jar. Yeah, it was really good. A lot of fun. I love doing things like that. I actually created a little sauce that went inside the quesadilla with some salsa and some sour cream, some chipotle, chili powder, and a little bit of lime. Oh, it was really, really good. I'll get the ingredient list up a little bit later on the group. Tonight, I am doing Spicy Coconut Curry Ramen. This is going to be fun. A lot of ingredients. Definitely, I would say a vegetarian meal. But that's okay. Sometimes they're okay. Let's take a look. Got the good old Dutch oven going. That's all I need. Of course, I gotta go. I have to just go with regular old packaged ramen. 2 packages for this. A little bit of oil, some kosher salt and black pepper, some shiitake mushrooms, one of my favorite mushrooms. I'll dice up this yellow onion and cut up this red bell pepper. There's going to be some ginger, garlic. Of course, there's got to be garlic. A little bit of brown sugar for sweetness. Red curry paste, coconut milk, which I get over at Super X because I save money on it. Some veggie stock, soy sauce, fish sauce. At the end, we're going to be adding some baby spinach and some bean sprouts. I'm going to add a little bit of red chili pepper flakes and some cilantro for garnish. So there's the goodies for tonight's wonderful supper or dinner. And the news you've been waiting for as I walk into the light. Soup Symphony, a medley of flavors, is published. It is now available on Amazon. I will get that information out to you ASAP. It's only $9.99. It's 114 pages long. It's excellent. I'm very proud of this cookbook. This has been a fun cookbook project. I have to thank Robin for all of her help on it and all the proofreaders who did a fantastic job helping me with this, but is finally published. Yeah. All right. So on this thunderous Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and always have fun cooking.